In today's automotive culture, modding isn't just a hobby. It is a way to express your personality, enhance performance, and create a unique driving experience. For owner of the BMW X5, the challenge is to enhance your ride without breaking the bank. If you have ever wondered, how do we start modding my car with under $140? You are not alone. Many car enthusiasts face the same challenge, achieving significant improvement with a modest budget. Let's talk about the easiest great way mod nobody telling you about wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are one of the most cost-effective modifications available. At a fraction of the price of other performance upgrades, this component not only gives your vehicle a more aggressive stance, but can also improve handling and braking performance. These wheel spacers are game changers. Install them between your hub and wheels, and boom, instant stance. Your tires sit flush with fenders for that track-ready profile. There are several compelling reasons why installing wheel spacers on your BMW X5 can be a game changer. By widening the track, wheel spacers can reduce body roll during cornering. This translates to a more stable and responsive driving experience, particularly beneficial when navigating sharp turns or high-speed curves. A wider stance can help distribute braking forces more evenly across the wheels, leading to shorter stopping distance and improve overall braking efficiency. Compared to other performance upgrades, wheel spacers are relatively impressive when modding on a tight budget. They offer a high impact to cost ratio. Wheel spacers can be easily integrated with other modifications. They allow for a greater range of wheel designs and size, ensuring that your aftermarket wheels not only look great but also perform optimal.